Undercover better sit low. The product base better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. But a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Rapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base.
Good morning. What is going on, Otter gang? Jeez. I was rushing a little bit. I'm not going to lie. Are we going to hit $100,000? My God, we just missed it. We just missed it. Are we going to get back up to that six-figure number? Let's see, baby. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning, everybody. How we all doing? What a beautiful morning it is to be in here. We nailed that ish yesterday. Yeah, we got, in the Discord, we gave the golden pocket long. We gave it. I was watching the hockey game, okay? I was watching the hockey game. But at the end of the day, we gave the level. The gang took the trade. And you guys are incredible. Look at this thing, man. Up only. We crushed FOMC. We bent over Jerome Powell yesterday, even though he didn't understand what the Asian man was saying. That's still on the Dixie chart. Do I still have that picture on the Dixie chart? No. That was so funny, man. That was so funny. We got up to no good yesterday. We kicking ass on the FOMC, man. Too good. Too good. What's going on, everybody? Make sure you guys are saying good morning. I hit a new milestone today. I have a Twitter impersonator. So that's pretty cool. You know, I still have my first Discord impersonator, because let's face it, there's tons of them. But I still have my first impersonator from when I think I had like 700 subscribers, and I got my first impersonator. I still have him, and I say good morning and thank you to him every couple of months. I say thank you, bro. I made it. I still have my first one, so you'll never forget your first, baby. Oh man. So Bitcoin ripping here. We have let's face it, up only. Let's face it, right? Up only. Continuing to rip. Bearish divergence everywhere, okay? Everywhere. Just bear div central here. The bears are diving, but the price is still going up, baby. So right now, coming into a little bit of a mini bull div in here. Looking for a push-up. Tapping this order block in here. Okay, so we'll see if we do want to continue. Little tappy tap. Another order block. Just creating order blocks all the way up here. So we'll see what happens today. I really want to press buy, so I'm not going to yet. Okay? I'm trying to not have emotional damage, as they would say, okay? because look at the scam wicks to the upside. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Okay. It's going to be an interesting day, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Make sure you guys are saying good morning. Thank you so much, everybody, for coming in, smacking up that like button, subscribing if you're new, all that good stuff. Play the great. Henseku, what's going on? Billy, my man. Jesse, good luck. Billy, I swore so much yesterday on the FOMC, I just added $30 to it. I fell off the rocker yesterday with my swear words, but it was an afternoon stream, Billy, so you have to forgive me. And we nailed a couple trades, so I missed a trade because of climate change, Billy. I missed it. I seriously, I lost. I didn't make money. Okay, I never lost money, but I didn't make money. And to me, missing a trade because someone was talking about climate change. I've lost enough money of this climate change stuff. Okay, the ice is growing. Put a 1 in the chat if the ice is growing. What's going on, Frost? Good to see you. Crypto King, Quick Smoker, Magic Mike, Albert, Rajak, Guk, Massey, J Violet, Wody, Donato Cabrera. What's going on, J Violet? Good to see you. Gang, gang, gang. Jesse, good luck. See, the ice is growing. Everybody knows the ice is growing, man. Everybody knows the ice is not melting anymore, man. The only thing that's melting is Bitcoin to the upside, baby. Billy Baines, Guten Morgen, gang, 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 Krakenwagen. Let's go, Billy Baines. The Duckin, Andrew Cameron, Slam Banjo, Dan Bartley, Dream Big, Nick Musgrave, my man, Jen Ceruleus, James A. Monetti, Evan McMillan. What's going on? What's going on, my brother? Crypto Sammy, Slam Banjos, Pietro. What's going on, man? R Pink, Chili. Hillis Burgess. What's going on, LJ, David Brumbelow, Dave Digital? Good to see you guys here. God bless you guys. Shout out to the Candle Mafia in their short, missing out gains. Eee, that's not nice, real boss, man. Be nice. Jay Violet, Crypto Rob, Nick, Donato, Ritual. What's going on, man? Crypto Ben, all the family members, God bless you guys. Thank you for being here as well. William Lake, Lorelei, good morning, good morning. Good to see you. 100K and then some more. HFG, Massey, Wave Cipher, my man. We nailed that. Yeah, we did. I mean, we were prepared, right? Our Discord's always prepared, man. The Leafs won last night. Okay, the Leafs won last night. Gio warned me of that guy assuming that it's me. But did you know that the Leafs won and Matthew Tkachuk on the Florida Panthers, he brushes his teeth with 2 hands. That was too funny, man. Too funny. So the hockey team won last night. But, you know, we were prepared, as we were saying. Definitely prepared. We knew that we were looking at the golden pocket area for a potential bounce last night. Okay, we had 95, 737 here as we were coming down, looking for that golden pocket in here. Okay, that was the buy level that was given in advance in AlexOCrypto Discord. Okay, we were also looking at the $95,000 level, but we were looking here. And guess what happened? It happened. It all happened. It came down perfectly into our key level. Okay, key level. Look at that. Ooh wee! You cannot write it any thicker than that. Right here. We came in and we tapped it, baby. We tapped it. 95, 7. It came all the way down to 95, 724. 724. I apologize, guys. I'm sincerely sorry for missing the mark by like $20. I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. Is that bad? Did I shut up? Come on, you got to toot the horn, man. You got to toot the horn. Got to toot it. Tutti fruity. The Discord's the best, man. We be crushing it. CVO with some great calls as well. Just absolutely crushing it. Everybody's waiting for that discount. The discount is coming. Don't worry. I mean, if you can't make $50 off of a 4.5% move, I don't know what to tell you, man. Raj, what's going on? Brumbelow, JR, Donato Cabrera, Ritual, Keith, what's going on? Sam, me, Crypto Same. I like calling you Crypto Same, bro. Let's get some. Nick Musgrave, what's going on, bro? How you been? Paul Caruso, Froth Dog, Milan, what's going on? Ronald, Dylan. How we doing, guys? Saphir, my man. How's it going, Saphir? I got requests from a new AlexO. Yeah, I got multiples, man. I got multiples. So what are we looking for right now? Right now, because we have mitigated the low here, I would like to see a string of higher highs and higher lows, but a little bit of patience this morning. Coming into this initial order block right now, if we start to see it go, we can potentially jump on. Let's be patient here, guys. Up only can really create some very violent down moves. Okay, that's the only thing I want to be prepared for is that, yes, I think we can come to $100,000. Okay. However, please note that if we take the elevator down, or if we take the elevator up, which is basically what we've done. Okay, elevator up. We're going to skydive down. We're going to be like, boom, and then go, okay? Lots of liquidity. Key level I'm looking at right here is 97.7. Retest of this high. Order block in here. Continuation, okay? Order blocks all the way down here. So whether they want to come and fill before they go or whether they want to just continue to rug everybody who's gotten long here is totally up to them. We have an announcement today, guys. Mr. Donald is having an announcement today. So what do you guys think he's going to announce? I think he'll say, I made a deal with China. And then the markets will rocket to the moon. Look at Ethereum, everybody. How are your altcoin bags? Virtuals up 14%. Sui up 13%. Jesus. Okay. I wonder if there's any open mouth thumbnails today. What's the sentiment, right? What's the sentiment? We always want to go through and count. You know, if you want to know what's going on, what do we got here, guys? All right, we got Frankie Candles, open mouth thumbnail. We got, oh man, everybody, this is it. Oh yeah, Face is in a $20 million trade. My man, I love you, Face, man. Kicking butt, taking names. Open. Okay. Don't miss out, FOMO. This could be big. Wow. Euphoria. My God. People excited, man. I'm excited for the people who are excited. Mabel, what's going on? Good morning, Nicholas. Milan, Froth, Infinite, Team TA. Good morning, guys. Good to see you guys all in here. Wow, I'm slow on this chat today. Let's get through this. Wild Berries, George. Good morning, David, Brumbelow, Chantel, DSV, Crypto King. Someone tried to get at me yesterday in the Discord pretending to be you. Now, I won't message you, but if I have to message you, the way I open up a ticker, I always try to be absolutely rude. I messaged you, Crypto King, to prove that this was me. I said, AlexOCrypto scalps like a bitch and should quit. But I always try to say something that, you know, I typically a scammer wouldn't say. So that was me. Bears should be ashamed of themselves. Yeah, no kidding. Wave Cipher, what's going on? Matthew L. Synthetic, good morning from Vietnam. No. JR, what's going on? Dylan, Sonny, James, Wayne C. JR, good to see you guys. Wayne C, hopefully you got a sandwich. Raj, Kraken. Slam Banjo, my man. See, the ice is growing. Everybody says, Crypto Michael, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Seymour Liddy. I know Seymour Liddy likes my messages to people for the first time. I know he enjoys them. R Pink, my man. How's it going, R Pink? We crushed that yesterday. Froth, F-Bomb, Jesse. Good morning to you. Magic Mike, good to see you. Hypnotoad, what's going on, Ronald? Hypnotoad, isn't that like an old school techno guy? George, Wayne C, Welsh, Jesse, Mohammed, what's going on? HFG, Defiant, Zena, good morning, Pink Hand, love it. Love it, BC Port Corp, my man, what's going on? Good to see you. Eddie, Danielle, Dennis, good morning, new here, watching from Jamaica, welcome. Wagwan, my man. I won't insult you. Thank you for being here. The Candle Mafia didn't short 98.3 blindly. We just knew there would be a reaction, and we wait for confirmations. Okay. Good. Good. That's good. AlexOCrypto. Good morning, AlexO. Leaf's tough right now. Yeah, man. Kicking ass, taking names. L Jr., Froth, J Violet, Wayne C, Gary, JR, Nick, what's going on? Raj. Do we get a dip to buy? I think I don't know about that, man. When it's up only, right? So it's we've gone through this before where we talk about how once they send it, you don't really get a chance, right? When they want to send it, right? And we did this with the Discord many a times, right? But once they start to send it, they typically do not let you catch up. Okay? And if it's here, whether it's here, okay? They typically do not give you much of an opportunity to join in the plethora of gains, okay? But as a scalper, we can jump on the train, baby. We can always jump on the train. Steve Hickey, good morning. To Pinky, what's going on, man? Good to see you, Steven. Or Stefan. Or Stefan. Or Steve. Slam, what's going on? 2T2, Nick Musgrave, Infinite Team TA. Welcome to Australia. Let's go. G'day. C-word. Colin Crypto, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Looks like we're getting a little push up here. You know, I just want to hammer the buy. You know, everybody wants to hammer the buy button today, right? What's going on, Mr. Mime? It's a cool Pokemon, man. Ronald Edwards, make a deal with Central American countries. Magic Mike. Wasn't a deal with the UK done? He just posted on Truth Social that it's with the UK. Okay, so he's making a UK deal, not a China deal. That might dump the markets. So everybody wants the China deal. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Smacking up that like button, supporting the channel. Massey. Copy trading group. I don't know, Massey. It always ends up being copy trading, in my opinion, is it's a messy business. We do give signals, but it's never financial advice. It's, manage your own risk. I mean, we do crush it in our community, but it's also, it's a fine line, right? Because some people, they have gambling problems. Some people, you don't know what you're exactly getting sometimes. So, okay, we got a push up here coming in. Nice. I don't like the candle pattern in here. It's very slow. Not for me right now. Not for me. A little patience right now. So up only. We said there's plenty of room on the daily. There's plenty of room. So daily reset in here. Plenty of room on the daily. VWAP crossover, that was dangerous. The 12 hour really told the story, guys. We had the 12-hour trigger wave with the VWAP crossover, right? 12-hour trigger wave with the VWAP crossover. You can't deny it, right? It's pretty gorgeous, right? Up 6%. Is this overextended? We're almost there. We're almost there. So naturally, we are going to get bearish divergence, okay? But when it's a euphoric pump like we have right now, typically it doesn't care about bearish divergence, okay? Typically. 8-hour money flow, always something to check, guys. Ramping up, right? We cooled down and then we started to ramp back up. Room to the upside. Now, when we get into the 4, the 3, the 2, the 1, of course we're overextended, right? Of course, right? We've pushed up overnight. Last couple hours have been pretty aggressive, right? So rolling over here, fake out to the continuation here. Beautiful. VWAP told the story here on the 4-hour, right? VWAP bounced off the 0 line here. Okay? And it bounces off the 0 line after a candle like this. You can expect higher, right? Because the momentum has changed. Okay, you can see the momentum started to curve. This is very important to understand on market cipher. Make sure you understand here. Okay, this right here is the secret. We were going to roll over here. Okay. What happened is the momentum died. You see, it died here. VWAP flattened out at the 0 line. And it changed to the upside. Okay. This, if you can identify this area right here, you can make lots of money. Doesn't happen all the time, but that's a cheeky market cipher, man. Going into 3, the 2, the 1. Looks like we're getting a little push right here. 3-hour overextended, red dots. 2-hour double top, overextended, red dots. Okay, VWAP crossover to the downside. Money is coming up though, and the 1 hour is coming up as well. Okay. So very nice 1 hour trigger wave was right there for that. Okay, retrace to golden pocket. We're at a clash right now. I like clashes. So money flow will typically trump VWAP. So what will happen if money flow is continuing up like this, even though it's inwardly curving right now, it'll continue up like this and VWAP will reset and cross over, and that will be quite bullish. But this needs to do something like that. Or flatten out. Nice move, though, guys. Nice move. We'll see if it does want to continue. I thank you guys for being here. We're prepared. We're prepared. The 24 is reset right now, looking to push back up. VWAP's crossing over to the upside, looking to push back up. We are getting a little push right now. Right now, we're in a string of a little bit of a downtrend. Not a massive one. Okay, let's be honest. We're up right now, right? But if you're looking at this, we have broken the structure to the downside right here. Okay, so typically this we should be looking for down right now. We're overextended. We should be looking for down. But why would we look for down when we're up only, right? The trend is our friend. So we set the trap, we wait for confirmation, and we definitely want to make sure that we're prepared. Okay, we have all our levels below us, and we'll try to make better decisions in those areas. Maybe Friday, maybe. Yeah. Good morning, Papa Coin, Donato Cabrera. Good morning, Sam Banjo. What's going on, Army Piper? My man, what's going on, bro? Trump setting up perfect mid-week reversal. Rug pull. Everyone FOMOing in. Love it. Let's go. Let's go. Oh man, ETH is ripping. Yeah, beautiful breakout. Old school Simpsons reference. Love it. No ice in Florida, but we do believe in science here. That's a hockey joke. Welcome, Timmy. I will never message you guys. Okay, I'm not here to message you guys. I'm so insanely busy. It's not fun for me to just go through and try to ask you to buy my non-existent course that will tell you how to lose money by paying for it. Okay. Paper planes, what's going on, man? Good to see you, Eddie. Much love to you. You look so juicy right now. I'm scared too long. Yeah. Frost, Paper Planes, Eddie. Good morning, David Brumbelow, my man. Call me Dave. We got David Brumbelow. We got Dave. Do we got another Dave in the chat? We're pro Dave here. Army Piper, how high do we have to go for you to flip bullish again, man? That's the question, bro. Darius, what's going on, man? Stefan, good morning. Crypto Sammy. DZ, let's go, baby. Let's go. No trade zone, I guess. The Asian trade has been awesome. I'm eating only Chinese food until it changes. I'm done. The Asian man yesterday asked Jerome Powell a question during the FOMC, guys. Okay? He was asking Jerome a question. and Jerome was like, he's doing math, man. he was doing math. It's fucking funny, man. Oh, I swore. That's one swear today. Oh, man. What's going on, Frost? Good to see you, man. James. Much love to you, Frost. Nova. Can you show your VWAP band settings? Yeah, you ready? 3. There. Don't show the 4th group, the 5th group. Magic, okay? Right there. There's your magic. Screenshot it. You're good. Rolling over here. Tap standard deviation. Doji engulfing. Let me know. Is anybody short? Is anybody getting up early and shorting this thing up here? Put a 1 in the chat if you are short. Vote on a crypto bill today. Neo, what's going on, James? Thoughts on utility altcoin season? I think Bitcoin needs to get up to all-time highs before we have an alt season, but we'll see. We'll see a rotation, I'm sure. Barry's info. Wolf and Bear, what's going on? Wally, good morning. Good to see you. Got a whole bunch of shorts in here. Yeah, I did. Good job, everybody. Zena, good job. 99,800. Nice entry, man. Good job. Good job, everybody. I love seeing you guys win, man. That's awesome. That's awesome. So I should go long. Okay. Oh, say good morning to Alex. Like, subscribe, share. Yeah, that'd be cool, man, if they did that, Alexandra G. I know you do it, so I appreciate you. 102 today? No? Try not to be biased to either way. I just try to take high probability trade setups every day. We took 3 trades on the FOMC yesterday. I don't know who else was doing it, but we had a break even. Then we hit a beautiful long. We crushed. FOMC was our B-hotch yesterday, okay? We longed here. Where did we long? We longed here. We longed here. We shorted here and got out break even. Okay? But we longed this thing here. I think we longed actually this one here. We longed that up, and this is where climate change rugged me, guys. Climate change absolutely rugged me yesterday. Bastard. We'll find him. Nice pushback here. Good pushback here. I like this. Damn, Daniel. This market crazy. Here we go. Welcome to Bitcoin Euphoric. Wrecking the bulls, wrecking the bears, man. Be prepared for some volatility today. Okay, today, Junior. It's going to be a fun one, especially after all this euphoria. Today, we don't have much news coming out. Okay. Initial jobless claims just came out right now. Not a big doozy, okay. 228. So it's coming in a little bit under. Non-farm productivity, unit labor cost. So nothing super duper, but it is information. Okay, do with it as you want. But we did get some news just now, but nothing really for the rest of the day, unless you're Canadian and you care about that, but I know you guys don't. We have China tonight, guys. Should be interesting. If you're interested in China. And then tomorrow, yeah. Nice push here. Little battle going on. What's the Dixie saying? Flat. NASDAQ. Trying to push here. I like this. I like this. I like this, but I feel like I'm buying the top. That's all. So I'm not taking it. I like it. I'd rather an SFP into the order block and then go. I'd much rather this. One more drive down with some volume. Okay. We have volume picking up because of the initial jobless claims, but right now this is forcing it. Okay, so on the way up here, everybody, we've made a lot of beautiful order blocks for price to come back and get. Okay, we have our golden pocket and stuff like that over in here. Revisit a previous highs would be ideal. We'll have to wait and find out, right? Very aggressive move yesterday. Pardon me. Even our, all our targets below our high or low are closed for the previous days, all below us. Okay, so all of our pivots. So let's be patient here. A little bit overextended this morning, so. Pardon me. Don't want to be caught with our pants down, right? All you naughty people in here. Nice rollover here coming into our area, so a little bit more of what we wanted to see. Good short, everybody. Everybody who got short, you guys got some big stones, man. I appreciate how big the stones are. We'll see if we get there, Patrick. Heath, what's going on? Paul, good morning. Darius, good morning. I'm not sure if we'll dump at market open. just look at, we're a bit overextended, right? So typically there is some sort of retracement that does occur in order to kind of level the playing field for the morning. We'll assume that we gap up here for our S&P. The NASDAQ struggling a little bit here, not like Bitcoin. Here's our bullish divergence right here. Like to see confirmation on this though, if we're going to take it. At the sweep of the lows, it needs to bounce back in, right? We always talk about this. Confirmation trading, right? You don't buy this thing dumping on your head. You might as well just give your money to the market. You give the money, I'm sure someone else could use it and try to use it properly with good risk management instead of you just burning it. Because you buy something here, they clear invalidation. That's nice. It's going to keep, the dip keeps on dipping, right? One minute. If you want to be the dip keeps on dipping kind of person, I like the volume in this candle though. Good volume in the candle. Let's see how this one closes. 30 seconds, guys. Dip, dippity. Dip, dippity. Dip, dip, dippity. Come on, push. Jobs lower than expected. We ain't getting no rate cuts. Do you guys see why we don't just buy dip candles? There's a perfect example right here. Did this tell us to buy? No. Right? Did that candle right here tell us to buy? Hell no. This one might. This is why we wait. I see all you guys finger trigger happy, finger happy. I almost said finger happy. What the hell is finger happy? Good morning, Roaming Brave. Niels, what's going on? Crypto Alt Delete, what's going on, bro? Good to see you here. Love you. I love you too from India. David Brumbelow, Attila, what's going on? Do you see why we don't buy that? Okay, we all understand that now. We all understand that. It's 8:40. I'm already at a coffee, guys. This thing is dipping. I'm going to go and get some more coffee. I actually haven't taken a break in a long time, and it's only been 40 minutes, but I'm going to go get coffee.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get up out the lane. Ain't about the trade, have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Damn, shorts are printing, baby. Let's go. Shorts are printing. $400 people in here, 110 likes. I think we can do a little bit better. Little bit. Just a little bit. Chef Money, what's going on? Good to see you, Phoenix. IO, Ahsoka, what's going on? Good morning. Make sure you guys say good morning. I do appreciate a nice good morning in the morning. Filling up this order block right now, rolling over 99.2, okay? We could go swing low to swing high here. Just waiting. Beautiful rollover this morning for Bitcoin. Nas is getting rocked, baby. Look at this. Coming back down to reality. All right. China. That's it. China, baby. Listen to my guts. Let's go, Eddie. There has to be a little bit of intuition, doesn't there? Right? The best way to develop intuition is by watching price action. That's my advice. Because you get a feel for it, right? You've seen it before, you know where it's going, right? Good morning, Koopa Loop. Crypto Creek, what's going on, man? Donato Cabrera, David Brumbelow. Empire Trades, what's going on, man? Shall I go long? You do whatever you want, man. I mean, I just press buy and sell successfully, man. Yesterday we were what? What were we yesterday? I don't even remember. I know I was 3 for 3 with a break-even trade on FOMC yesterday. What are the standard deviations on VWAP used for? So the standard deviations, and we just did a big VWAP lesson. So I suggest you go and watch that, newbie crypto. Oh, man. It's my most recent video. So go and watch that video, and you will understand why we use the standard deviations. They can help when when price is away from VWAP like it is right now, they can help with the trend. They can also help as like a Bollinger Band when they're overextended to return back to VWAP. So it's very useful, in my humble opinion. But yeah, go watch the video, man. The video just came out. I just put it out. It's a full VWAP refresher of how I use it and how I make money with it, bro. So, and it's actually a lesson. Like, it's not just me making a YouTube video for clicks. It's me actually teaching a class, okay? Okay. How long did it take you to learn price action, and what was your main source of education? Well, I've never paid for a course. That's why I don't have one myself. I'm not against courses. I think they can quick cut your education, but I've never paid for a course. I don't think you need a course with the amount of information there is on the interweb. A course is good because it's all, I guess, in one place. I understand that. If you want like it in like a nice order and very to the point, great. Go and buy a course if you want to kind of front run that. But I like multiple like opinions from other people, and I like to form my own thesis. That's kind of how I work. But for me, the way Alex Hormozi talks about this, and I try to do this as much as I can. And you know, Alex Hormozi, he's a legend amongst himself. He's in a league of his own, but he talks about doing something, and I've always taken this to heart. Do something and then do more volume than anybody, okay? Do more volume than anyone. So what did I do when I started this? Okay, you can ask any one of my mods. You can ask them. I teach in 4 Discords, okay? I do a live stream every single day. I used to do multiple live streams a day. I do teaching videos a day. I do mindsets. I read books. So like for me, I've done it so many dang times. The amount of volume I've done in 3 years compared to most people, I guarantee you I've tripled them. I guarantee you. Because I know the time I've put in. Right? And that's my edge, is that I've just put in the work, man. And it's not me tooting my horn. It's just what I've done. I show up every single day. I put in the most amount of effort I can. And I do so much volume that it's like I can't not learn it, right? Because I'm teaching it, I'm doing it, I'm repeating myself. I started doing YouTube to learn faster. That's why I started doing it. I didn't want to be an influencer. I come on here and talk a bunch of smack. It's turned into a nice business now, but it's like we were doing it for free for 2.5 years. Right? 2.5 years free. Everything was free. It just got to the point where there's too much volume. I need to keep the idiots out. Now we have a beautiful community. Nice push up here. Doji and golfing. Push back. I like this so far, but retest to previous lows right now. Like, we like to have fun here because trading is hard. That's why we share memes like this. I thought it was funny, man. I thought it was funny. Great push here. 12 Big Dow, what's going on, bro? The kid's doing really well, man. He just said Dada last week. He said Dada last week. So cool, man. He's just starting to try and crawl. He can reverse really well. Happy, healthy. Wife's good, man. Thank you for asking, Dal. Everything's going really well, man. He's growing up way too fast. He's 8 months now. So Pretty incredible, man. Man, great push in this order block here, guys. You could have bought this hammer. Not for me yet. Still being patient here. We're too busy talking about my giant horse cock that my genie misunderstood my wish. Baby otter, the cutest baby on the planet, says Alexandra G. She knows. Alexandra G's seen the baby. Thank you, Alex. That made my morning. I knew it would get you, Buck. You get what you put in. Exactly. That's it. Yeah, bull div's coming all the way down here. Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Breakout retest. Very aggressive downtrend, guys. So we could have bought here, but if we hold the lows here, we can buy. Go to the 1 minute here. Good volume this morning, everybody. Nice volatility. Bull divs throughout here. No mitigation of any highs yet, so it's a little bit more risky. In a sense. We'll see how it reacts down here. Thank you, Jesse. What the hell is this? Empire Trades. New indicator alert. Man, you on timeout, bro. I'm going to give you a day to think about that. I don't need your spam jam in here. What's going on, LBC? Good to see you, bro. How you doing? How's the wife, man? I know she's pregnant. Is she eating weird things already? Retest in here. Continuation. Just a little concerned about momentum wave here. It's just a lower high. Still waiting here. This is my pretend trades, okay? I put on pretend trades all the time. It's so I don't FOMO. This is like my form of not FOMOing in. There's no reason for me to long here, but there's like something telling me I should long here, so I just wait. And then I put on the trade and see if I'm right. And I don't take the trade. That's how I manage my FOMO. I'm just like, okay, I want to press buy here. Why do I want to press buy here? There's liquidity above us, sweeping the lows into an order block. We have a sweep and a pop. The Nasdaq's pushing up as well. Okay, trying to reclaim this area in here, which is, nice lows, nice highs, right? We are in a downtrend, mini downtrend, but a massive uptrend from yesterday. So answering these questions really helps me. Not FOMO. And sometimes the trade works. Don't get me wrong. Sometimes the trade works. And I'm like, okay. But I learned something from it, right? I learned something of like, okay, maybe I didn't see this or I didn't see that. It'll allow me to at least participate mentally. Not with my physical hard-earned money and put on risk, okay? There's a big difference, okay? A big difference, right? And it's important for us to distinguish that difference so that we can manage our FOMO, manage our expectations, right? You don't always have to be in a trade. Best mobile app to short crypto? I don't suggest ever trading on your phone. Especially if you're scalping like I am. You can't hardly eat anything without getting sick. The baby is being a douche canoe. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, man. My thoughts and prayers go to you, man. I apologize, man. Hopefully she's doing okay, though. She'll get better. First trimester, right? The volume is decreasing. I wouldn't take the trade either. Yeah, we do have a little decrease in here. I mean, this is high for the morning. Just a way that I manage FOMO, right? Look, and it's going against us now, right? We see the push up, we get all excited, right? We want to buy red candles. This is a pretty cheap trade. When it's cheap, though, it looks even better, doesn't it? Ooh, baby. Very cheap trade right here. Rolling over, though. And like we said, we should be short this morning. Liquidity is all below us. You don't have to be a wizard, Harry, to understand that where's the liquidity in this chart. It's very much in here, right? So if this, then that. If we're going to come back, I would like here 98, 98.8. 98.8 would be ideal, okay? This is just our first stop on the way down. Those who are short, good job. Love seeing you guys win, man. Great work. Keep it up. High probability trade setups. You had bearish divergence in here. You had decrease in money flow on the way up. You have money flow diverting. You have price going up. You have extreme wicks at the top here showing exhaustion. And you have the downwards momentum. Okay, you mitigate this low. You can go short here. You can get short off that sweep and recovering of the range, right? You sweep, you get back into the range, you go back down. Many options there. Good job, everybody who did get short off of that. I wasn't awake at 4 a.m, but great job. Thank you, everybody, for being here. If you are new here, thank you for subscribing and hanging out here. We got 500 people here. We're trading live every Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Scalping Bitcoin, hanging out with all you guys, having a good time, talking smack, making money. Been doing very well lately, and it's been an interesting journey so far. So I do appreciate you guys being here, supporting the channel. What's going on, Sniper? Good to see you, bro. When's the surgery, man? You got a date yet? What will happen when it reaches 100K? It'll probably get rejected because it's a psychological level. There's probably a lot of cell walls in there. That's what I would assume. Middle of the second. Okay. The link long from the FOMC played well. Yeah, man. We crushed FOMC yesterday, bro. That was good fun. We crushed it so hard that Sniper had to go to bed. Going away in 2 days. Okay. Could still push to the flush out the shorts before moving down. Yeah, I do see that. I do see that. If we come into here, this is kind of where I would target if we're going to sweep and go. Higher low so far? I don't like this structure, though, at all. For bottoming structure, this is too low, in my opinion. I would have liked to see this sweep and bounce. This to me, retest of the wick, continuation down. That's what I see. Randy Hipper, what's going on, Randy? Good to see you. I think today's the day we have to send it to Randy Hipper. We haven't sent it to Randy this week, so we're gonna send the stream to Randy Hipper. Might as well, Randy. Got to take care of the family. We've sent it to Piper. We've sent it to Geo. We're gonna send it to Randy today. I think that's how we're gonna roll. If you guys aren't subscribed to Randy, make sure you guys check out her show today. We'll send you guys over there at 10 a.m. Nice push here. It did the wick test, then it got rejected. We got anchor trigger here, trying to push up. No one gives a... You talking about sniper? Sniper gonna pew pew you, man. I wouldn't be that brave, man. That's bravery. You get a bravery medal. I can hear it. Oh, man. Money's still coming out here. We're starting to flatten out, so we'll see how this goes. 8-minute bouncing. A little bit of chop here. Nas continues to roll over. Patience. It's not easy for me to be patient either, everybody, so I try my best. Randy, what do you think about this pamp? I think you say pamp. What do you think about it? You think it's a false move or what? What are you talking today about on your show? You going to talk about pamp was due, sir. Yes, it was. Absolutely. Are you still going to do the sale on the Discord? Yeah, the Discord sale will be in a couple weeks. Okay? In a couple weeks, and we'll run it. I'm aiming to do it while I'm in Vegas. So we'll go from maybe we'll do it on the 20th or the 19th to the 25th, because I leave for Vegas on the 25th. We'll do it that week, I think. That would be good. We'll do it that week. You can lock in that price for life. If you cancel it, you lose that time. It's going to be the cheapest it'll ever be, ever again. I promise you that. It will be the cheapest it will ever be, ever again. Okay? Ever. Forever, ever. Forever, ever. And I mean, our Discord's fire. I mean, we gave you the setup yesterday. 95.7. 94. We were favoring the 95,000, but we gave you the golden pocket setup. It hit perfectly yesterday for the pamp. Okay. We give live streams, teaching, great, all catered to you. I care about you. I'll talk to you. You can talk to me. I ain't a stranger. I'm always checking up on you guys, making sure you guys are behaving yourself. Got beautiful signals from Kyle, Brewberry, myself, TA charts from CVO, myself, all throughout here, multiple traders, HRJ signals, setups. Okay. TradeFly is in here as well, but you got five traders, a family of otters who all care about you, who all work together. We're all making money. We're all kicking ass, taking names. The best Discord for the price. I've seen other people's Discords. I've seen one of my anyways, we won't go down there. But I've seen what other people post in their Discord comparison to ours. There is no second. Okay? That's all I got to say. I've seen it. I've seen them all. Don't go there, says Nick. I know, man. I have to hold my tongue, bro. I have to hold my tongue. I'm working on it, Nick. Every day is another day. We're doing $35. It's the cheapest it'll ever be again. Ever. Forever. The Discord was free for 2.5 years, and I was full-time trading by then. I wasn't employed. I was making money off trading, okay? That's all I got to say. The Discord is nice now. It keeps the idiots away for the most part. Ask Tony and Sniper and Nick. But it was getting to a point where it was too many idiots and not enough people who wanted to change their life trading, so we started to charge. And that's how it became. It never was about, it's always been about trading. Traders helping traders is what we do. I trade, we all teach each other how we trade. We all manage our risk. We all grow our portfolios. We build a life of financial freedom through trading and through crypto. And that's how it is. Honest, transparent, good people. It's funny that you only have to be honest and transparent and a good person to stand out in crypto. It's funny how it works. Rolling over here. 9:10, everybody. So top of the hour suggests, let's look at our hourly. Hourly coming out right now. However, VWAP is flattening out, resetting. So this is a reset, a possibility for us to curve back to the upside. Getting an SFP right now. If we get SFP and go, we can take long here. Come on, Bitcoin, do it. Do it. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. I do appreciate you guys being here. Simple Jack, thank you for being here, man. What's going on, V Monitor, my man? Good to see you, bro. Hopefully you're doing well. Equal lows. LJ, you pretty much can copy trade from the calls in the Discord anyways, yeah. What's going on, Hillis? Burgess, what's going on, man? Good to see you. All over BTC Crypto Buzz, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. Jobs claims is out. Yeah, it came in a little bit lower, not much. How you been, V Monitor? Is everything okay, bro? It's not a course. It was a good game, eh, Farmer? Hey, Farmer, did you know that that Kachuk brushes his teeth with 2 hands? Oh, man. Good to see you, Farmer. I'm sorry your Jets. I'm sorry your. I'm sorry your Jets lost, man. You guys didn't put up enough goals, man. Not enough goals. Helly looking awfully Swiss cheese-ish. Such a scumbag. Yeah, man. Thanks, V Monitor. God bless, bro. Okay, slow and methodical right now. No real SFP here. So looking at the hourly came in here flattening out, still posturing to the downside. So be cautious about that. Same with the RSI here. Okay, our 30-minute as well. Just taking a look at this. I like to look at this at 9 o'clock typically, just to kind of get a feel for this. We still have continuation here. So resetting. Okay, resetting, money coming out. However, not done yet, because what can happen here is we can get some posturing to the upside. Money will flatten, and then we'll have our momentum catch up, right? So that'll all happen. VWAP will lead the way. So be aware of that. The 15-minute here was looking a little bit better. Yeah, VWAP's creeping up slowly. So we are getting a little bit of relief, and we do have inward curvature here on our money flow. So not saying we're going up right away, but a little retracement to be matched with the continuation of the PAMP, okay? We'll see how it goes. No trade yet. I know a bunch of you guys are short from up top here. Great job. We gave the long on the Discord last night. A bunch of people took that. We crushed FOMC. I was watching the hockey game on this pump, so, that's the thing, too. It's like I was texting Gio because we were both watching the Leafs game last night, the hockey game. And we were considering short at 98.2 because 98.2 was a critical level right in here. Right when we pushed up and consolidated, and I was just like, dude, I'm not shorting this. I'm tired, man. I traded a lot yesterday. I did 2 live streams, three teachings. Like, oof. That's the beauty about trading. You don't have to trade all the time. You don't have to always be in a trade. Let's go, Crypto King, my man. God bless, bro. Where do I learn trading? Any suggestions? I got a playlist if you'd like that. There's a playlist on my channel. If you're new to trading, I always suggest going and watching Tom Crown's beginners course. It's free, Tom Crown. It's always something to help you get started. I like that as well. Crypto King, man. God bless you, man. Thank you for the 50 gifted memberships. Peter Pan, Lurker. Clayton, Lurker. Havoc, Lurker. Lemonade, Lurker. Chicago Brew, Lurker. What's going on, my Lurkers, man? Say good morning, please. I can't even say your name, man. Lurker. Tyron, Lurker. Luke Maddox, Lurker. Turgay, Lurker. ACU, Lurker. Avram Tudor Alexandru, Lurker. Man, we got a lot of lurkers already. Seth Shepard, I think you've said good morning, but I'm going to call you a lurker anyways, man. Sarunik, Lurker. Staying Low, Lurker. Crypto Louie, Lurker. S-Crunch, Lurker, man. Purple Yogurt. Okay, Lurker. Andrew, Lurker. Ick, Lurker. Give me the ick, man. Lurking, not saying good morning. You just come in here. You're sitting in the back of. We treat this place like we're in a big office, okay? And everybody here is hanging out, right? And you're like that. You come into the office. You don't say good morning to anyone, right? You wear like pocket protectors, and you're in the corner there, and you're just here to take. Say good morning. Interact. Thank you for being here. Everyone who isn't a lurker. I don't even care if you like the video. Just say good morning. You're going to come here and watch me in my wanking chariot chair here in my office. Hanging out. At least say good morning. Ayala, Lurker. Raj, Kumar, Lurker. Betabot, Lurker. Tumas, Lurker. Medi, Lurker. My God. Mayank Lurker. Love Lurker. Falcone. I think you've said good morning before, but I'm going to call you a Lurker. Muhammad Lurker. Blackie. Seafight Lurker. Pereira Lurker. Steven Lurker. Lurker. Kyle Jordan Lurker. I won't even honor your name, man. Lurker, Lurker, Lurker. My God. Lurker, 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 Lurker. My God. Beefed up. I've seen you before. Good morning. Lurker. Lurker, 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 Lurker. Lurker, Lurker. My God, we got like a whole stream of lurkers, man. I feel exposed. I feel like I'm being watched by like some creepy people in the background now. All right, 13 minutes till market opens. Good morning, Crack for Real. Infinite Team, good morning to you. The Pinky, Sky Rezonus. Let's go, man. Chopping about here. This looks like it wants to roll over, guys. No trade. What's going on, Guile? Thank you so much, Crypto King, for the gifted memberships, man. God bless you, bro. Lucky Deal, what's going on, man? Soon be back to the gang from Peru. Let's go, man. Good to see you, Lucky Deal. Lucky Deal, we do have the sale coming back on, so that's your time to get in. I know we've talked, so we're going to have that sale on, and hopefully we can get you all signed up, man. Good morning, AlexO. Good morning, Frank Fit for Life Crypto. Hopefully you're doing well, bro. Good morning, Javon. Philly Skills. Good to see you, man. Victor, Diogo, Music for Life. Good morning, everybody. That's better. That's better. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Gang, 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 gang. Let's go. Otters in the chat pushing up here. A little bit of a retracement. Order block's holding up quite nice right now, so we'll see if it wants to continue to hold here. A little bit of a downtrend, no trade yet. You know, a little bit euphoric throughout the market. NAS is holding up. We're going to see if we get a gap here on the S&P, coming back up to our 5,600, 5645 area. Dollar looking, you know, big pump yesterday on the dollar. Weird. Bitcoin going up with it, so. Alt's looking nice. Alt's looking nice. Coming down though, I'm sure right now a little bit. Go to ETH. Yeah, ETH is pushing, baby. ETH is pushing, which is a great sign. ETH has to go first. Let's be honest, right? ETH and Solana, they've got to go first for these altcoins if we're gonna see that season that we won't mention, right? We don't want to jinx it. We don't want to jinx the season, man. 'Tis the season to be pumping. Okay. For all your hodl bags. I know some of you guys are more hodlers. The key right now, though, guys, we need to keep our hodl bags separate from our trading bags. That's one of the most important things. We cannot just have a long bias that will get us wrecked, okay? Short, long, we got to make money to accumulate more if we are in that game or if we want to just make a nice wage, okay? So no longer lurking. Good morning, Nick Jones. Thank you for coming out of the closet, man. I'm kidding, bro. Thank you for being here, bro. Oh, man. Good morning, everybody. Eddie. Good morning, Yov. Good morning, beautiful people. And gang. Sir Creedon. Steven. Let's go. Much love, Otter Gang. We love you, Crypto King. Thank you for being here, bro. Our pink lurker alert. Daniel Ghazi. Goalie. Good morning. A-hole syndrome. Good morning. I have that sometimes too, man. I try to stay away from it, but I try to be kind. That's our rule here. It's just be kind, don't be a douche canoe. Some of us were born in the shadows. Okay, Batman. Okay, Batman. Evening, folks. Good to see you, Sam. Neff, good morning. Tush, good morning. Prem, good morning. Mindflyer, good morning. Sailor Crypto, good morning. Vitor, good morning. Thank you guys for saying good morning. Standard Charter apologized for for their price prediction. Okay. Curvis, what's going on? Good morning. Good to see you, man. JB, good to see you. Most lurkers are naked. And I just called them by their name. They probably really enjoyed that. Dusty, man. Good morning from the UK. Whereabouts in the UK, guys? My wife is British. I'll be in the UK in July. When do we short? Whenever you want, man. Good morning, Dan, Gigi. Good morning from Poland. All I know is swear words in Polish, man. Kurwa mesh. That's all I know. Okay? Sorry, Gigi. That's all I got, man. God bless you. You know that. When you work in construction, that's the only thing you learn is the swear words in European countries. That's it. What's going on, Jeanette? Good to see you. Gang, gang, gang. Northern Ontario. Let's go, Dave Buck. Let's go, man. Scotland. Let's go. I lived in Edinburgh. For a year, Grant Sampson. So I lived in Scotland. In Morningside. I used to live in Scotland. That was fun. Essex, let's go, baby. No trade today right now, Steepo. Still waiting here. There was a potential to short right here, but it wasn't. It was a little bit of a fake out. We had a little bit of volume scam, wickety. Okay, we came into here. We had a double top here. Failure to get above. There was a potential short here, but never. Not enough, in my opinion, not enough confluence to get short here. Now we got bottoming structure within our order block right now, but pretty choppy right now. NASDAQ looks a little weak. So I'm being a little bit more patient today just because we're so overextended to the upside that any pump can really just be matched with a more aggressive dump. So we just don't want to be... Don't want to be overexposed right now. And we know that Donald Trump has an announcement at 10 a.m., which can really put a spanner in the works, if you know what I mean. And if you are from North America, a spanner is a wrench. Okay? Good morning from exotic St. Louis. Let's go. We have friends in St. Louis. Missouri. Good evening from Australia. I also lived in Australia. I lived in Sydney for a year. That's where I started this YouTube channel 3 years ago. In Australia, mate. Dublin. I haven't been to Ireland. I hope Conor McGregor gets in for your prime minister. My wife is from Worcester, though. She has friends from Ireland. I did a lap around the globe, did Django. If this is the world map, okay, no trade right now, but if this is the world map, we got North America, South America, right? And then we got, I don't know, UK and all of Europe, and then we got Africa down here. Okay, and then we got Australia over here, right? So if this is our world map, when COVID hit, so I'm over here in Toronto, Canada, okay? When COVID hit, me and my wife went on a 40-day road trip across Canada, and we did all the mountains in BC and Alberta. We did a 40-day road trip across Canada in the mountains over here, okay? All we did was take my Impala, okay? We took my Impala. We have this all documented, by the way, and videos and everything like that. So we took my Impala. I sold my Impala in BC, and then we flew to the United Kingdom, to where my wife is from. And we were dating at this time. So this is during COVID, an amazing 40-day road trip, fishing, camping, climbing mountains. We climbed 4 mountains. Nice pushback right now. No trade for me, guys. This is not. It's getting away. We went to Worcester, met her family. Then we moved to Scotland, lived in Edinburgh. Okay. Then we visited Portugal and Greece. Okay. Then Canada was still being stupid because of COVID. So instead of going back to Canada because they, freeze bank accounts and stuff like that, we decided to fly to Abu Dhabi, stopped over and landed in Sydney, Australia. We lived in Australia for a year and we visited Bali. And then we flew all the way around the globe and back to Tirana. That was and we landed here. This was a year ago when we landed back in Canada. Now we've been home since. There's the story, okay? Ta-da! 3 minutes till market opens, everybody. Did you guys like my map? I wanted to do like Japan and stuff like that, but Japan I want to go for like a month. If I go to Japan, I want to do it once and I want to do it right. Honestly, you have some room for improvement on the map. We'll get to Ireland for sure. We visit the UK at least once a year, so come to Berlin. I mean, we love traveling, so gas must have been nice in an Impala. It was straight piped too, Massey. It was a straight piped Impala. Just idling. So good, man. The Impala is the name of my moose. We went to the Algarve. We have friends who have a timeshare in the Algarve. Bali's beautiful. Yeah, we stayed in Ubud. Beautiful, beautiful. I am Japanese. Japan is definitely on my bucket list. We want to do Peru too. We want to do Machu Picchu as well. Nice push here, guys. We got 1 minute till market open here. 30 seconds, everybody. Market is opening here. 10 seconds. Bitcoin pushing, baby. Let's not get faked out, everybody. Thank you for being here, supporting the channel. Subscribe if you are new. Thank you for hitting that like button. I hate asking for it, but you guys do a really good job. We got 200 likes here. Market is open. The SPY is going to go where? Okay. Up, and away. This gapping up as expected on the SPY. We'll see how it behaves. A little bit of a retracement here. Got a rollover here on the NASDAQ, okay? A little bit of patience, guys. I don't think we just get all euphoric right now. But Bitcoin's ripping. Want to somehow jump on the uptrend, but we don't want to be victims of the rug show, okay? So patience will prevail coming into the market open here. First 15 minutes, we tend to try to not trade, but if it's there, we take it kind of deal. If it's there, we take it. A little bit of a bleed out today. Nothing really serious going on this morning. So let's see what we get here. Looks like we are getting a little push mitigation of the high right now. That's a nice push for Bitcoin. We'll see if it wants to continue to push here. Okay. just be aware of the first 15 minutes will give you a much better idea of what's going on in the market, okay? Don't want to end up being a victim of the rug show, okay? The SPY's pushing again. Dixie looks ready to roll over, which is bullish. We're just bouncing in this order block here. We do have our golden pocket down below us locally. So if we do get a sweep in here, we are mitigating a high right now, but not... I don't know if it's sufficient enough to bring us higher. Nice push for Bitcoin here. Thank you, everybody, for smacking up that like. Yeah, that's great, guys. 236 likes, man. That's awesome. We're here live every day, trading Bitcoin. Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10. Come and hang out. Talk smack, make money, baby. That should be the new... That should be the new slogan. Talk smack, make money. Rejection off our volume level here. I've not heard of the Japan English song, no. My tutorials are amazing. Oh, thank you. I just try to teach them how I would use them. I don't hold anything back on my tutorials. So, Carl Vassi, yeah, we do we do trade alts as well. We're much more of a swing trader when it comes to altcoins, and we do. I said do. We do setups for alts as well in the Discord and everything like that. Are you not going to trade ETH? No. I don't like ETH. ETH's not... I'd rather trade Solana than ETH. A little fake out to the upside here, guys. Failure to make a higher high in here. $12-hour momentum waves looking a lot better. Trigger wave still forming. We probably still have another half hour for trigger wave to form on the 24-minute. Nas rolling over, everybody. Same with SPY. Doesn't mean Bitcoin's gonna. It's just an added layer. I think maybe we changed the Dixie to USDT dominance. It's been a little bit better here. We can invert this chart so it trades the same as Bitcoin. Bitcoin pushing here. Is anyone getting long or what? What do you guys see? I know we got a bunch of people short up here. I think you're still safe right now. If you do start taking highs in here, you could be I hope you guys have taken some profit after mitigating this low in here, but I don't want you guys to get reversed. Got a little bit of pig nipples here on the bottom, okay? Roll over here. Strength coming in here. It's a good candle right now. 3-minute candle. How's the 1 minute looking? 1 minute's probably pushed back. Yeah, nice pushback here on the 1 minute. Standard deviation 1. Right through. Structure-wise, this is just a higher low, guys. So that's a nice candle here on the 30 as well. And on the 15. So nice bullish engulfing in here. Hanging man, bullish engulfing, continuation trade. Nice push here for Bitcoin. Breakout, retest of previous highs, continuation as well. Nice pushback to be met at golden pocket here. Still waiting. Still waiting. No trade yet. 600 people here. Thank you for being here. Thanks for hanging out. Holy balls. Let's go, baby. How about Sui, Alex? Sui looks incredibly strong. Back up to all-time highs, right? For the pump. It's back up to the highs of the pump. So looking strong, man. "30 minutes until Trump news." Yep. I don't know what he's going to say. "12-minute here. 12-minute candle is really nice, but we retest back down the candle. We can look for a wick test right here. Wick test into here. Coming in right now, retest. Okay, no test. No bounce off of that. Good fake out. If we bounce back up here, I'll get long. If we bounce. No bounce so far. If we bounce back, we get long. If not, we wait. Nice sweep. Right into the open here. Big engulfing candle here on the 3-minute. That was aggressive. If we bounce in here, we can get long again. But right now, this is pretty big rug. Pretty big rug. If we bounce up, though. Stop loss below the low. Continuation. If not, this looks like it's coming down. Sweep of the lows. Nas continuing down. Like we said, at risk if we're looking to long up top here, right? It's a great liquidity grab up into the highs here. If we bounce, we look for the long. If not, no. This would be our orb high, I would assume, so far. Open range breakout for anyone who's new. Okay, sweep of the lows. Possible bull div here. Push back in. Can we push back in? If we push back in, we get long. I'll hammer along if we push back in here. Great sweep. Great sweep. Gotta push Bitcoin. Gotta push here. Gotta push back right now. It's gotta push here. No follow through back up. Going to the 1 minute right now. Big hammer candle on the one. If we push here, this is a buy. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Nas bouncing. SPY bouncing. Yeah, that's a buy. I'm in. I'm long. Push Bitcoin. Come on, baby. Push. Wrong way. We're going the wrong way here. Wrong way here. Damn, Daniel. Retest continuation down. After that? After that, really? Stop loss pretty low below the low here, or right below the low here. See if we can push up. Might get stopped out. I hammered this one. I hammered this one too. It's a cheap trade. But I hammered this one. I'm in for 300,000 right now. I wanted this thing to rip, baby. We ain't getting it. I'm risking 500 on this one. We'll see if it goes. We'll see if it goes. Come on, Bitcoin, push, baby. Might get stopped out here. Gotta go. Don't be a namby-pamby. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Push it, baby. You got it. SFP of the low. Bullish divergence. Continuation up. Hammer candle. No reason why. There's no reason why it should dump, but you know what I mean. And this could be just a sweep of the highs. Orb is done. So this is our bottom of our orb right here. Doesn't look like it's holding, guys. It's trying to battle, but not looking good. Not looking good. Underwater right now. See if it wants to push up. I liked it. I don't know if I like it so much anymore. We'll see if it wants to go, man. Risk is managed. Blow on those candles, everybody. Push it for the otter. Gang, gang, gang. Let's go, baby. Push it. Push it, Bitcoin. Come on, man. The Nas looks nasty. Sammy says down. Put a 1 in the chat for up. Put a 2 in the chat for down. Oh, man. 2, 1, 2, 1. Down. 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 No. Whoa, 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 whoa. Really? If it pumps now, we laughing. I have not moved my stop loss, everybody. We still here. We still here. Invalidation is invalidation, everybody. You got to be able to take the lumps. Here comes the lump, everybody. Taking a loss live. Here we go. Back to the drawing board. Losing orb here, rolling over, everybody. I did hammer that one, so I am down 600 with slippage. Eee, that's a painful one. That's okay. Bouncing back here. Keep going. 9:47, everybody. Thank you for being here. That's how it goes sometimes, guys. Rolling over here. I thought we were going to bounce there. SFP of the lows, golden pocket right now, so order block mitigated. And that's why I use a stop loss, everybody. Okay. Going over to our 3-minute here. Little bounce back. If this is the bounce, I'll be upset. We got Orange Man tweeting, and what's this guy gonna tweet, man? What do you guys think? Is he gonna say we did a deal with China or not? I thought we were popping up there, man. I guess this was a fake out this morning. Clearly a fake out. Sweep of the highs. Rotation down. It's all right. Misread. Misread coming into our 786 level now, which is right here. Losing orb. Shout out to the shorts, guys. Good job, everybody who's short. I guess I just didn't see it, man. Reset. Nothing burger. Deal with Europe. Slap that VWAP. Think we're coming VWAP. Okay. Good to see you, Melissa. Buckeye, good to see you. Coming back into test orb. Retest here. Retest to previous lows. Nice pushback here for Bitcoin. No trade here. Nice bounce. We're back up to where it would have been break even on the other trade. Oh, man, that's always a pain in the arse, isn't it? It's all right. I'm not going to be risking, $1,500 to make $0. It's not a valid trade setup. Nice pushback here for Bitcoin. Anybody getting long off of this? Dave Roy bought my stop. Let's go, Dave Roy. Good job. Pumping again. Buying my stop. That's good, man. I love it. I love seeing you guys win, man. I ain't mad. That's revenge trade now. High probability trade setups only, man. We just didn't get follow through on that one. Like, that's the thing with the 1 minute. Sometimes you can get lost in the weeds, right? 1 minute hammer engulf and then total fake out. And then roll over. Okay? Then you get the 1 minute hammer engulf and total pumpage. Okay? So, pick your poison. This is a much better SFP, though. Right? And if we went off the 3 minute, it would be a lot nicer. We got the hammer, reclaim of the orb in here. That's a little bit better. But we still wait here. We still wait. 7 minutes till 10. Chop City here. What do you think, Orange Man? Is he going to tweet or is he going to... What's Orange Man saying? What's he going to do? Good push back here for Bitcoin. Still looks like it wants to go down. $12-minute. Yeah, wow. Okay. Still waiting. Five minutes till 10 a.m. Is he going to tweet exactly at 10 a.m.? Who knows, right? No one knows that. $10:30. Press conference. Okay. Good pushback here for Bitcoin. We got nice bull divs in here, guys. Should have waited for this low. Nice push. Let's go, Bitcoin. Reclaiming the range. Looking for a continuation here. Top of the orb, possibly. Look for this to hold orb and continue. We'll see. No trade yet. Nice pushback here for Bitcoin. See if it wants to continue upwards here. Never came for this order block down below. Still concerned. Still in a downtrend with a liquidity grab up in here. This looks like a retest of the middle of the candle and continuation down, though, so be careful here. No trade. Hopefully you guys are all ready for, you're all on that tweet, because I'm not going to be on that tweet. I don't know what he's going to say. You guys got to let me know if he does tweet. Retest to orb continuation possibility right now. If we bounce here, possibility. One minute, I guess, till tweet. Is that like valid? Is that valid? It's on the news. So is he like having a meeting on Yahoo Finance or something like that? Fox? Or is Bloomberg? I can pull a Bloomberg.
World. Join Jonathan Farrow, Lisa Abramowitz, and Anne-Marie Hordern. Only on Bloomberg. Context changes everything.
Bring you up-to-the-minute geopolitical news wherever and whenever it happens. I'm Anne-Marie Hordern in Buenos Aires, Argentina, and this is Bloomberg.
Fox News?
What happened? The defendant provided her key card, which is like a credit card size key.
I don't see no Oval Office. Oh, here we go. Major trade deal. I think this is pumping, man. We'll see. There's nothing on yet. This guy loves attention, man. We're waiting. How long do you think it's going to be? Always late. Yeah. Trade deal with the UK. Anybody long here? I know Dave's long off my stop loss. $30 late? We ain't waiting 30 minutes, man. Long. We got a bunch of longs in here. Okay. Giga long. Uh-oh. Get your Cheetos out. Prepare for Orange Man. We'll hear it if he says something. Naz is pushing. Bitcoin trying to go. I got it pulled up, everybody, but nothing yet. Nothing yet. Is this what they call scalping? Yeah, yeah, man. This is it, man. This is the epitome of it. No trade to be had here. Unless you want to trade the news. No Trump to be seen, guys. No Trump to be seen. I guess we'll be here waiting. Are we still going to wait? I mean, I'd like to go and have breakfast. You guys going to make me wait? I'm going to send you to Randy. 1L today, guys. 1L today. That's okay. Another one. Another $1. Going to send you guys over to Randy Hipper. Make sure you guys spam all the otters in the chat. I'll update the Discord later today. Okay. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Thank you for supporting the channel. Make sure you go and spam Randy as much as possible. God bless you guys. Have a wonderful day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Tonic comma, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. AlexOCrypto.